Welcome back to the Hobby Goblin. Here we're going to finish off the second half of that first One Punch Man booster box. I took some time and I did look over those 15 cost Saitama cards. And pretty much it looks like you need to have most of your deck in the sideline in order to play them. So I'm hoping to see some green cards that have some discarding attached to them to make that possible. Ooh. 2 Silver Fangs, nice. Mosquito Girl. 7 cost Terrible Tornado. So it looks like a lot of the green cards are high cost. Ooh. Fancy looking king. Oh, looks like an action point card hiding at the back there. Super S. And yep, here's another AP card. Another Foil King. Moomin Rider. Gotta love the weak rare cards. Raid version of Garo. Oh, another Saitama. Hellish Blizzard. Serious Punch. 12 energy. Alright, last pack from the box. Let's hope we get something good in this one. Foil Genos. And another Foil Genos. Thanks for checking the video out, everyone, and hope to see you again soon.